Hello, welcome. We have equation here. We need to solve for x. Since our question has a power of 3, it has 3 roots. Let me show you the easier way to find the first root. X cubic plus x square. This is equal to the first term and the second term have the same base of x. I'm going to find the way, the right hand side, to have numbers that they're going to have the same base and they're going to produce the power of 3 and 2. That number is 27 plus 9. Addition of 27 and 9 give me 36. X cubic plus x square. This is equal to 27 is the same as 3 cubic plus 9 is the same as 3 square. Let us now compare the left hand side and the right hand side. X cubic I'll compare with 3 cubic. If we have a power b, this is equal to c power b. Now a is equal to c. For that case, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. We can also compare x square and 3 square and get the same result. X square, this is equal to 3 square. If the power are the same, the base are equal. Now x is equal to 3. Our first root is 3. Let's find the other 2 remaining roots. We know x minus 3. This is a factor. To get another root, let us arrange this equation into polynomial form. X cubic plus x square. I'll bring 36 to the left hand side. Take away 36. This is equal to 0. We have power 3, power 2. Now we need to have a term that is going to have x power 1. That is x cubic plus x square plus 0x minus 36. This is equal to 0. X minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Now we know if we take that factor, x minus 3 multiplied by another factor here, this is equal to 0. So we are going to look for this factor here. We are going to use synthetic division to get this factor here. Over here, we are going to put our root, which is 3. And here we are going to arrange our coefficient from the polynomial, which have a coefficient of 1, which I'll start here. Then next, also I have a coefficient of 1. Here I have a coefficient of 0. At last, I have minus 36. The first coefficient, I'm going to drop it down over here. Then I'll take 1 multiplied by 3. I'll get 3. I'm going to add 1 plus 3. I'm going to get 4. Again, I'll take 4 multiplied by 3. I'll get 12. 0 plus 12. I'll get 12. 12 multiplied by 3. I'll get 36. Minus 36 plus 36. I'll get 0, which is the remainder. Since my polynomial has highest power of 3, now the polynomial that I'm going to form inside here, they are going to start by the power of 2. And the coefficient of it is 1, 4, and 12. That is 1 means it is x square. 4, that is plus 4x. And I have 12 plus 12. Now I'm going to find the roots of x square plus 4x plus 12. X square plus 4x plus 12, this is equal to 0. I'm going to use general formula. Now coefficient of x square, that is a, is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12. Now let us substitute. X is equal to minus b equal to 4, plus or minus b is equal to 4, that is going to be 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is equal to 1 multiplied by 12. This is over 2 multiplied by a, which is 1. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, that is going to be 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12, it is 48 over 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 48, we get minus 32 over 2. This is x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32. This is the same as square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 32 over 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 1, it is I, multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 16 over 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, I square root of 2 over 2. We can simplify by 2. We get x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 2i. Now our values of x is equal to 3 minus 2 plus 2 square root of 2i and minus 2 minus 2 square root of 2i. This is our solutions. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.